Hello and welcome. Good morning. I'm Ankita Saxena and you're tuned into Market Cafe. It's a show where we take you through all the global cues and all the cues back home that you need to watch out for before the start of D Street. But first up, let's take stock of how the Wall Street shaped up. Well, Wall Street, as far as the futures are concerned, they're very, very flat, trading along the flat line. But as far as yesterday's trading session is concerned, the major averages posted very slim gains coming in. S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite added only about 0.1% coming in, and Dow Jones added roughly 32 odd points, so 0.1% gains coming in. Now, the software sector, which has already been under pressure due to the fears of disruption by artificial intelligence, fell during the session. In fact, CrowdStrike and ServiceNow lost almost 3.6% and 1% respectively. So there is still a looming fear of the AI that is spooking the markets, and financials also outperform on the signals of restrictive policy. Now remember, we are also waiting the Fed minutes to come out, so that is something that the market is waiting and watching out for. As of now, very, very muted US Fed future, US futures is what we are witnessing. But let's talk about the commodities as well, and where oil is at. Oil prices saw a bit of a downtick that's coming in, as Iran sees progress in the nuclear talks with the US. Now remember, on Tuesday, we did have that US and Iran meeting that was underway, and the foreign minister of Iran said the progress was made during the nuclear talks with the US, and that fueled the hopes of negotiation that could prevent further conflict in the Middle East. As of now, if we see where Brent crude is at, we do see oil, Brent, that is at $67.40 a barrel. That's down very, very marginally, 0.03% downtick, and WTI is trading at 62.30 or trading with cuts of 0.05%. So oil is steady right now, and it is basically below the $69 a barrel. It is maintaining that for a while now. So that's where oil is at. And if you look at the gold and silver also, we do see gold that is making very flat moves, 0.08% downtick coming in. 4,900 is where gold is at, and silver also seeing a small cut of 0.6%, 73.08 is where silver is at. So that's how the commodities are also moving. So that silver is now more than 2% down, extending a 3-week slide. Now remember, we did see that rally and then that slide coming in the commodities. So silver is now down more than 2%, which has extended its 3-week slide. So that's where precious metals are at. Tensions.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.